It's intended to help in shaly, tight rock, platelet shale, red pan shale that we see a lot in the southern regions of the United States, and help displace the rocks out of the way, or crack or fracture them. So that's really the intent of the rock bits. We have this question, it seems, most often asked: can I drill through solid rock? And the question is, well, maybe. But they're not intended to do that. And most skid steer auger attachments don't have enough torque to do that. They would run out of torque. The bullet teeth on a rock facing bit, can it get through rock? Yeah, but it would take forever, and it's not really intended to do that. So if you need to go core drill through solid rock, you need a core drill bit. You should be able to keep your bits spinning so that they wear evenly around the rotation of the carbide facing tip. If you don't do that, you'll wear the tips out prematurely, because they'll wear on just one side of the bit, and then you're not getting the full benefit of the full wear of that carbide tooth. Another handy tool I'd like to talk about is the bullet tooth puller. It's a pry tool that makes it a lot easier to pry the bullet tooth out of the holder, and then also to bang it in. So it kind of does both, okay? You'll see this little knot right here, which helps you as a pry to get the bullet tooth out. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us directly. We don't try to escape or evade our clients like some online retailers tend to do. We're here to support what we sell and to advise you, our client, on what best fits your application. So thanks again for visiting with us today. Hope to hear from you guys soon. Like and subscribe to our channel for great information as it comes out. Thank you again.